Okay, guys, this here is what we have at the moment. We have a calculator, so we'll do just basic arithmetic, and then I have alphanumeric. We'll have A, B, C, D, and then another program which will show the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, so we do the calculator now. Let's clear the calculator. And this is the calculator code. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is here is how the calculator works. You go 1, 2, 3 plus, then you go minus, then you go time, and you go division. Okay, C is for clear, equal, and so on. Okay, so now if we go here and we do, say, I don't know, make it 30, no, 30, okay, time, I think it time, 3, and it's equal. Let me check if this is correct. Okay, let's try again. Clear. And say we want to do 30. Okay, just have to remember where 0 is here. And then we time it by 3. And it's equal 90, which is correct. Now we clear it, and if we do, say 40 divided by 4, it's equal 10. It's correct. That works. Clear. We'll say 10. Oh, sorry, that's 40. 40 time, I think it's time 2, and it's equal 80. Correct. So it does 80 minus, let's see if it works like this, plus minus 40 equal 40. Correct. 80 minus 40, yeah. Clear. We do, yeah, but we don't need to continue with this. Okay, so here's the calculator. Okay, 1. Now let's do the numbers. There's numbers. Keypad numbers. Okay, let's program the numbers. And see how it works. There we are. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to 16. Okay, this is it's an example what you can do with this. As we had a password, which probably were more interesting. But this you can do, you can do calculator, you can program some program with numbers, you can program with a alphanumeric letter. Let's try the letters now. Okay. The alpha letter. There we are. These are the letters. A, B, C, D, up to U. Obviously, I think that there are problems with 7 segment, because let's start this one. It does not take necessarily all the letters. Some of the letters cannot be programmed, and particularly in this type of 7 segment. Okay, but in any case, let me show you what I put on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, G, whatever, L, P, U. That stops here. There is no more letter. Okay. So this is, another way programming letter, if you want to write a program where you need to type alphanumeric letter, and there you are. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Have a fantastic day, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe.